Okay, this is where I work on my computer. It looks like a regular workroom. Some more plants. My multi-function printer, fax machine, copy machine, and reference books. Yeah, this room is my room. See, that's where I really painted the picture from paint by the number. But I use my own colors. And this is the Best Buy warranty for this camera that I'm using. Although it's a Nikon, the one that Ashton Kutcher used in his commercial, it don't take good pictures. They all have lines in it, so I'm taking it back. I paid for that warranty. I paid almost $400 for this camera, and it's just fucked. So, Nikon, whoever the hell you are, you didn't make a good product, so I'm taking you back. It takes good movies, but it just won't take no damn pictures. So, let's see what they have to say. I'm sure it's some bullshit. But anyhow, here's my little station. Here's my Sims. Sims 3. And they're going late night. It's a fun game. So, that's that for this room. And you've seen my whole house. I didn't show you the bathroom. But if we must, it's right through here. It's a pretty cool bathroom. Got blue water in my toilet. There's my toothbrush. Toilet paper. Scrubbing bubbles. I hate that shit. When this is empty, I'm not buying any more of that. Cotton balls. Insulin.